Today we're looking at B&M brown bread with raisin. I've had a can of this knocking around in the back of the car in my old shit bag for quite some time. Just never really cracked one open to try it. So let's give it a rip. Trusty P38. Well, it was well sealed. You could hear it pop. The way it popped, I would say it broke open with it was vacuum packed. I like brown bread. It's not always easy to find around here. Oh, this might be kind of sporty to get out. Didn't quite expect that. It's a solid, dense loaf. Okay, that's got a nice taste to it. So we're going to do this the other end. Push it out. Our local grocery store carries this. So I picked up a couple of cans just for grins. It runs in, oh, I don't know, a little over $3 a tin usually, which isn't real cheap, but apparently it has a pretty good storage life on it. Okay. There we go. It grabbed into the rings in there and didn't necessarily want to come out. Yep, you can see. All right, now we're going to give the top of this a go. This is a very dense bread, which is how I like it. You can tell it's easy to cut. My knife is pretty sharp, but that cuts really rather easily. See what's got in it. It's got a good taste to it. Almost has a little bit of a molasses taste to it. Says this has 8 servings and it runs in at 130 calories a serving. This would be really good with like cream cheese. Okay, sliced to the desired thickness. You can toast it, wrap it in aluminum foil, heat it. Doesn't eat it. Peanut butter and jam, cream cheese. That's a good one. Okay. Whole wheat flour, molasses, that's what I was tasting. Rye flour, that's the dark. And raisins, whey, degerminated yellow cornmeal. Okay. Baking soda, buttermilk, salt, and corn oil. Probably not a whole lot really great for you in here, but it's got a pretty good storage life. So, like I said, I've been carting, I think this is actually the can that I was carting around in the car, and it's been in there for a while, and it tastes good. It says no cholesterol, ready to serve. There it is. I like it. Probably not something I'd eat every day, but if you're out and about, impromptu picnic or something, you have it. It's well worth getting a couple cans to add to your supply too. B&M brown bread with raisin. They got it out without the raisin. I'm going to try it also, because I think that'd be even better yet.